Now let's see the reconstruction of Germany by Hitler. Hitler had appointed an economic advisor. He was known as Jalmar Schacht. He was appointed and he became the economic advisor of Hitler. He had started full employment. His economic policies included full employment, full production, construction of superhighways in Germany, and people's car which was known as Volkswagen. These all started by Jalmar Schacht. He had implemented these economic reforms in Germany. Due to that, Germany achieved a lot of economic progress. Now, Hitler pulled down the League of Nations in 1933. So, in 1933, Hitler had pulled down the League of Nations, which was established soon after the First World War. League of Nations, you had studied about it, you had studied in 5th standard. Why League of Nations was established? In order to stop such world wars. But in 1933, Hitler had pulled it down. Again, Hitler had defeated Austria and integrated with Germany. So I have told you that 1938, Hitler had integrated Austria and he had integrated these territories. He thought that, or he wished that, one people, according to his principle, there is one people, one leader and one empire. One people in the sense the Aryan race, Hitler's race, that was considered to be the Nordic Aryans, or he considered Aryans as the superior to any other race. And one empire means Hitler's empire, and one leader, that Hitler himself. This was his principle. Again, 1938, he had attacked Poland. So Poland was attacked. When Poland was attacked, it created a war with France and England. France and England, this Poland attack which led to a war with France and England. Then 1940, Hitler understood that Hitler had to make a pact or an agreement with the other two important nations like Italy and Japan. So there was a tripartite pact was signed, and according to the tripartite pact in 1940, Italy, Germany and Japan, which were united, which were worked as a team. So these all started, or this war which started the Second World War. And when Hitler attacked other countries, which slowly led to the Second World War. Hitler wanted to join the territories with Germany because he wanted to increase the food supply for Germans and also living space for Germans. So Hitler wanted to create living space for Germans and food supply. That was the motive that Hitler joined the nearby territories to Germany. In 1941, Hitler attacked Soviet Union. But Soviet Union retaliated by entering into Berlin. Till Berlin, the Red Army, Soviet Red Army marched and defeated Germany. And by the time, in 1941, USA entered into the war. So these all are the incidents which happened during the Second World War. These all war together. Together we can say Second World War. So 1941, USA entered into the war. And Japan, the country which was with Germany, Axis power. So Japan attacked the Pearl Harbor, US naval base, that was known as Pearl Harbor. When Japan attacked US Pearl Harbor, USA counterattacked by worshipping nuclear bombs in Japan, the places which you know very well. That means Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These two places where USA worshipped nuclear bombs. And the Second World War, which came to an end with the nuclear bombs, worshipping of nuclear bombs and Hitler's defeat. That happened in 1945. So Second World War came to an end. So the reason for Second World War, we could see it was Hitler. He had started attacking the countries like Poland, Austria, etc., which created the Second World War. And at last it ended with the nuclear bomb worship.